Hey, you're getting better at it though.
What's going on, everyone? We're here today for another episode of recreating viral TikToks. And this idea actually was done by Savosin, Ilya, and Roses Official. Those are the two collaborators. We are going to make some of the craziest roller chair skate shoes ever made in history. We got some room essentials, rolling chairs. We got them from Target.
He might be a blader.
That's what I was thinking, is he might be a rollerblader, right? Or a roller skater, one of the two. In fact, he looks like he's used to that balance.
You know, he's on the brink of confidence.
Dang, first tee? Come on. Just so y'all can see how intense this is.
No, it's actually insane.
What the heck? Let's go, boy. I know Aaron's always saying that stuff like, I will build your house. I will not build your house, but I will build you some legit sketchy. We have the hardware going all the way through, and what I'm gonna do is put some bushings inside of here, make sure it doesn't roll around very much. You go washer, smaller washer, bolt, and then we're good. If that ain't the most legit thing you have ever seen in your life. Here you go, and with the power of incredible editing magic. Oh, we got two!
JD.
Oh, I go first.
You're first.
I'm kind of.
You might want to sit down for this, JD.
Come on, JD, you gotta be honest. Like, this is pretty legit.
It is.
Now, the only difference between ours and theirs, we're using the Braille shoes. What they did is strategically use boots. So the bottom sole is harder and you can't bend.
Oh God, you know how bad I am at roller skating? Dude, if there's like a plot, you should have put it right here.
Be free!
For me. No!
Oh no! There we go, there we go.
Yes!
Oh, dude. No, don't do the split. All right, hit an ollie. Oh! That was good!
These bearings were way better than I thought, so
This is a GC build, bro.
that means it's not safe.
Yeah, bot.
I didn't commit.
Whoa, dude!
Why do you make it look so easy?
Oh my god! Dude, put him against this.
Why did he make it look so easy?
Oh yes! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Yes!
Yeah. Oh.
We have a feeling the original video, the guy that did this rollerblades or skates.
100%. Did you not realize by his form that he rollerblades?
I did realize. I'm just trying to get your opinion in a video without you being such an
I mean, it's kind of clear as day. That man's form was crisp. He was out there. You see his swag on
Can
point
I see that
too?
one more time?
I can't get that low, but like, you know what I mean.
He's a spider. We are trained professionals. What, dude? You got. When you were born, did you ever think that your life would lead you to this moment?
Heck no. Couldn't even think back then.
You hit 50-50? No, dude!
Oh, I broke it. No, I didn't.
No.
I didn't break it.
No, God.
Dude, I can't even jump. Counts.
Whoa! I've never seen him look more uncoordinated.
Yeah, he looks like a baby giraffe on ice.
He looks like Uzi.
Dude, if you guys do a squat with this, I'll give you $1. See that?
Empower the young generations and give them inspiration, but JD, you need some help on this one, brother. Hey, you're getting better at it, though.
The last words were said, you're getting better at it, and
Dude, you just got Yoshi down beat. Are you good? Oh! You look like a spider, like you're riding on two spiders.
Oh, maybe you gotta ripstick it.
Absolutely.
There we go.
Oh my.
After this, I'm done, Joe. I thought this was gonna be easy and fun. It's not. My feet are so sweaty.
Well done.
I'm trying to figure out like where the wheels go, but they're all going in different directions. You know what I mean? Take me for a spin, like just straight. I was gonna try to spin after I let go, like how I just did right now. Okay.
Okay, ready? Oh, yeah.
Again. Oh my gosh!
All right, we're gonna go on a nice wide turn. Oh, yes!
Where'd it go?
So we used to do this with the bungee where if you pull them, the turn they hit like exponentially Mario Kart boosts you.
Oh my gosh! I want to just spin and not fall.
Oh, to the QP. Yes, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Lean forward. Oh no.
Why did it do that? It literally just started turning and I had no choice but to hold on to him.
Spin.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Yeah. It's just really uncomfortable because you have to put your feet on these individually, and then on the back there's nothing really supporting, holding you. Like if I put my heel down, look at that. I have to like lean forward, and then you're just using like your thigh muscles, and it's just more of like you're working out.
Keep him straight. Keep him straight.
Are you good?
Yeah, I tried to get leveled so I could prepare to turn, but I just tried to go back. I'm gonna do what I'm good at, and I'm just gonna go down the three stair if I even can stay balanced, you know?
Bad.
I'm just more embarrassed of this. Dude, I wish you could have seen that fall, Mo.
Do you all think it is possible for Mowgli to go down the 3-stair? Leave it in those comments below.
You want to push him?
Yeah.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
I tried.
That's crazy, bro. I got a slow-mo this.
I'm telling you, it's this thing.
Hey Mowgli, do you need a hand?
No, I need more stable, better equipment.
He made it look so cool and easy, yet this is, I don't feel cool and easy.
I feel level hard mode.
You ready? So you're compensating for two different entities right now and trying to get those to align.
All right, one more. I'll give it the best I can.
Ready?
Yeah. I understand that the original is top tier in what he does. I think we confirmed that he's a rollerblader. If you've seen the video where I skated a car and Be Free was here, you understand that I literally am really horrible at anything that has nothing to do with skateboarding. And this right now is elements of rollerblading.
Send him.
I'm taking it. I'm taking it. That was great for me. So challenging. It's hard to accept defeat sometimes, but this isn't defeat. This is just something out of my realm. I love y'all.
Send him. So this right here, how did we do? Let us know in the comments below. The original video is top tier social media quality content. Shout out them. If you guys have any videos you want us to recreate, go ahead and let us know in those comments below. And until then, we hope this video inspired you to learn how to skateboard, and we'll see you in the next one.